Okay, this is Huskar 104. I hope I can help you out with a little bit of clicking sound. If you've got the AUDIOBOX USB 96 like I do, which I find was very, very good, except I started getting clicking noises. And it drove me nuts. And sometimes it'd be really loud, and sometimes it'd be really soft in the background. And I could never figure out what's going on. So I checked everything. In fact, I've got a cell phone charger right here, and it sits right next to my, not to the computer, but next to my keyboard, and the phone rang. So let me show you what happened. So the phone rang. I went and got my phone just like I did just now. And what happened? Listen. You hear that? That's that clicking noise. And it drove me nuts. And what it is your cell phone sitting right next to your microphone, or, and I found out what it is. If you have it next to the cables, or between the box and your computer, if it's on the cables there, it'll cause the same type of problem. So if you want to get rid of that clicking sound that we listen to, best way to do it, put this in the other room. All right, there's your big hit for the day. I don't have many of them because I don't know much about computers and stuff, but I do know what bothers me, and that bothers me. So keep your USB 96. Just take your phone and move it to the other room.